In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate custom HTML into your hosting your website, a process that can truly elevate the functionality and design of your site. Whether you're adding a special widget, enhancing user experience with unique features, or simply experimenting with your personal touch of code, following these steps will guide you smoothly through the process. First things first, you'll want to open your Hostinger website builder. This is your command center for all things related to your website's design and build. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't done so already. This is where you can manage all aspects of your site, from templates to SEO settings, so becoming comfortable with this interface will be incredibly beneficial for future projects. Once you're acquainted with the interface, the next step is to select the specific page area where you'd like to add your custom HTML code. This is crucial because it determines where your HTML content will appear on the website. Navigate through your pages, keeping in mind the section where the code will create the maximum impact, and click into that area. This could be a section dedicated to testimonials, an interactive contact form, or anything else that requires specialized code. By zoning in on a precise location, you're ensuring that your modifications are targeted and purposeful. Now that you have the spot selected, it's time to choose the option labeled Embed HTML from the Elements menu. Hostinger provides a variety of elements that allow you to enrich your site, and the Embed HTML feature is a powerful tool that opens up a realm of customization. Simply drag and drop this element into your selected page area. Next comes the technical part, pasting your custom HTML code. If you already have this code ready, copy it from your source and paste it into the provided HTML box. And if you're generating the code on the spot, ensure it's written correctly and validated through a reliable editor or an HTML validator online. Remember, clear and clean code can prevent potential future headaches and makes editing later a breeze. This step breathes life into the ideas you've laid out. Make sure everything looks as you expect and corresponds well with the other site components. Once you've pasted your code, the following step is to save and preview your website. This gives you the chance to review your changes and make sure they display as intended. The preview function offers a glance at how your site will appear on different devices, which is an essential step for maintaining a responsive and user-friendly design. Take your time to inspect everything, from margins to functionality, and tweak as necessary. Finally, when you're confident that everything is in place, hit publish to make your changes live. Your website is now enhanced with your custom HTML, showcasing the special features you've added. Check the live site one more time to ensure everything is running smoothly and that you've achieved your desired outcome. Congratulations, you're now ready to impress your site visitors with your personalized touch.